Hello, good morning. Today is January 5 and it's a Friday. And I'm with my dad slash driver. Hi, Dad. Energy! Energy! Energize!
Energy.
We're out early running some errands. Actually, pauwi na kami kasi nung papunta kami, tulog ako the whole time sa car. So, hindi ako nakapag-vlog. So, ngayon lang. And since nakuha ko na yung money ko, buhay na ang aking diwa! Na-beat ko lang energy gap! We'll be going to Katip later with my best friend and may reunion rin ako with my Endit blockmates later. So, I will be taking you with me. So, yun. Right now, we're just on the way home. Okay, so nag-wee break si Dad. And yes.
Lock mo, lock.
Okay. Hi. So, yung errands na ginawa namin ni Daddy kanina, dapat noong November ko pa inasikaso. Kaso na busy kami with Matty's debut and I suck at adulting. So, medyo ngayon lang namin naasikaso. Speaking of mga things na dapat inasikaso ko noong November pa, medyo kailangan ko ipaayos yung camera ko kasi accidentally nabagsak ko siya nung nagtagaytay kami during my birthday weekend. Kasi someone had this brilliant idea na magpretend na nasa horror movie kami while sabog lahat ng tao. Sino yon? It's the smart person right over here. So yun, meron pa yata akong footage, no actual footage na nagpe-pretend kami na nasa horror movie kami as in tumatakbo-takbo kami dun sa labas ng house ni Ari in Tagaytay.
Game, kunwari may mumu. Chan! Ano na? Chan! Takbo! Ano to? Kunwari horror. Kunwari may humahabol sa atin. Rafa, ikaw naman, Rafa. Kunwari may mumu na humabol.
Natamaan ako ng basketball, natamaan yung camera. So, nahulog siya, medyo na-deform, and I think nagkaroon ng problem sa focusing, kaya medyo out of focus yung iba kong videos. So, I need to have it fixed. If may alam kayong service centers or paayusan ng camera na mura but efficient, let me know in the comments down below. Cute mo! Tabachoy! 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 Aba, mailap ka ha? Nandito yun. Yeah! Ayan na naman! Hi! Hello! Mag-vlog ako today. I love you lipstick. Pakita mo, pakita mo. Fuck, what shade is that?
Elsa.
Happy skin. Okay. I-exchange gift po muna kami ni Za. Medyo na late sa Christmas. Pero, ayun, i-unbox namin for you. By the way, na-pressure nga lang pala si Za na regaluhan ako. Za, huwag mo akong regaluhan. Dahil niregaluhan kita. Regaluhan mo ako dahil gusto mo akong regaluhan. Because that is what I deserve. Buksan mo muna yung gift ko. Or bubuksan ko muna yung gift mo.
Kahit ano. Pick ka na.
Sige. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Merry Christmas! Pagpasensyahan mo na gift ko, wala talaga akong mag-isip. So, nung nakita ko yan, here ko bagay sa'yo. So, yan ang binili ko. Haha!
So, hindi ko lang kung kasya sa'yo.
Kasya to sa akin. Oh, thank you! Favorite color ko pa ng damit. Thanks, Liza. It's very soft.
Oh, thank you. Nakata.
Di ba pangalan ko ano yan eh? Pakita mo, ganun mo. Lingerie.
Yay! Meron na akong bagong lipstick. Adik ako sa lipstick mga last month. Ang haba naman.
Okay, swatch mo.
Uy, bagay mo siya ito sa akin.
Hi guys! So right now, we are in Quezon Ave kasi bumibili ng dog food yung dad ko. And sabihin mo kung saan tayo pupunta.
Sa Biwi.
Gusto ko yung may suspense siya. Sa Biwi. Sobrang hidden gem siya sa Katip kasi maraming hindi nakakaalam nun. Pero, grabe, sobrang sarap at saka mura lang siya. So, pinromise ko na dadaling ko si Zach. Kaso, pinalipas muna namin yung Christmas kasi traffic papuntang Katip. Medyo malayo kami nakatira doon. So, I am keeping that promise today. Excited ka na ba, Zach?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So guys, we are on the way to my Holy Grail CR. My favorite CR in Katipunan ever. Ayun, yun lang naman. Kasi ang kailangan ko lang sabihin na ang Venus niya may bili and may tissue. So thumbs up for you. Pupunta na kami B-Wins. Kamusta yung viewing? How was your viewing experience?
It was great. It was very, very great.
I love it. Very insightful. Hello! So, we are currently in a trek. Siya nga pala yung tumama sa akin ng basketball.
Wait, go!
Sinasira yung
accident. It was an accident.
We're on the way to Game Over to meet with our ended walkmates. And hinatid lang namin yung friend ko, si Zach, sa train station. Train station.
Na medyo sketchy.
Na medyo sketchy. So, sobrang kapit ko sa buta.
Okay, who's strong? Kyle?
So hi guys, next day na, it's Saturday, January 7. January 7 ba today? January 7. And ginising ako na maaga nito. Dapat tulog pa ako ngayon from 10 AM to 12 noon. Tinatawagan niya ako. Pinapapunta ako dito kasi wala daw siyang kasama. So bilang mabait akong kaibigan, ayan, sinamahan ko siya. Hoy, magpakita ka. Teacher Liza from MC! Shout out sa mga students niya. Ang kulit ng teacher niya. Anyway, kakain na kaming Burger King. Bye!
Ano ba? Ako may nila. Natuloy ko pala ako sa'yo.
Ano?
Hindi ito. Ito without camera.
Hi! So we are getting shakes dahil nag-crave si Eliza ng shake away! Happy girl na siya.
Ang bestseller po namin, nasa lane po, Sydney. Sydney yung Ferrero chicken there.
Basta siya ng 330 for one shake. What na hindi niya alam. Akala niya 190 lang. Tapos napasubo siya ng 330 pala yung bill niya. Oh, please parang.
ko 330. 330.
Oh my God, ang sarap din. It tastes like Milo. Beat energy gap! Beat energy gap! Beat energy gap! Sige. Commercial acting sana ako yun lang. Sarap. Kaso na-stop siya sa... Iiiyak na yan. Iiiyak na yan.
Sabi ko, I'm going to save for my future.
Wow! Hindi siya makamove on. Lagi naman ganyan yan. Snapchat! So, ito nga pala yung partners ko sa YouTube. Hi, Jaylene! Hi, Annie! My editor! I love it.
Let's take a picture.
Okay, me! So, it's now January 8th and nakalimutan ko mag-vlog when we got to Ari's house yesterday. Kasi ang husay-husay ko. And now we are here in Makati. We just finished going to a casting and we are here in Stevens eating early dinner or late lunch. And may maingay na pusa. Favorite
Mineral water.
So, sino yun? Hello, so I'm home from the casting, from mass and from dinner. So I'm just here resting. And sorry kung medyo magulo tong vlog na to kasi at times nakakalimutan ko na nagvo-vlog nga pala ako ng day ko. So may mga moments na namimiss ko. Anyway, I just wanted to take you on dapat a day lang, tas naging 3 days with me. Just to see what I do usually in a day. And ito yung life ko bilang fun-employed. Kasi if you didn't know, I graduated last June. But I chose not to look for a job yet. I took a gap year. And ito yung last remaining months of my gap year. So I'm making the most out of them. So, yun. Dun sa gap year na yun, nag-racket ako. I tried to do freelance. And what else? I do workshops. Nag-workshop ako. I don't know. I just allowed myself to be lost, to explore my passions, and to work on myself in general. Pero yun, since it's 2017, isa sa New Year's resolution ko is to finally figure out what I want to do and to pursue it and to be serious about it. So yun, in a few months, this is it. Real world na. Anyway, ayun. I hope you enjoy this video. Since may mga nagko-comment na sana vlog naman daw yung next. So, eto na yun. I just wanted to close this video and say thank you for watching. And if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in my next video.